Hi guys! Today I'm going to show you how to make overnight oats. It's a very easy and healthy breakfast option. You make it the night before, put it in the fridge, and in the morning it's instant breakfast. Another good thing about overnight oats is that it's not boring. You can add so many different toppings and have a different one each morning. The best kind of oats to use is rolled oats. If you look in the directions, it'll say it takes 5 minutes to cook. Don't use instant oats, which take less than 2 minutes to cook, or steel-cut oats, which take about 40 minutes to cook. For the liquid, any kind of milk, dairy milk, or non-dairy, like soy, almond, oat, or coconut milk. Orange juice is also an option if you don't want to use any milk. For a sweetener, sugar, brown sugar, maple syrup, stevia, or honey. Of course, you can leave out a sweetener altogether. Chia seeds are optional. They add fiber, absorb liquid, plump up, and thicken the mixture. As for containers, these are pretty glass mason jars, but impractical for carrying to work or school. Reusable plastic containers are best for travel. Use the glass jars if you eat breakfast at home. I think most people will eat something healthy if it looks good. A simple bowl and plate is easy. These wide glass storage containers also work well. Any container with a lid or cover with plastic wrap. I'm sure we all have broken containers, so if you have a lid lying around from one of those containers, there's no need to waste plastic wrap. As for toppings or mix-ins, any fruit, nuts, chocolate chips, coconut flakes, your options are endless. I add fresh fruit the day I'm going to eat the oats. I don't like to mix it into the oats before putting it into the fridge. You want the fresh taste of the berries or bananas. The topping gets stirred into the oats before you eat it anyway. If you don't mind the texture of the fruits, you can definitely mix it in before putting it in the fridge. 1 serving of oats is half a cup. Use half a cup milk or non-dairy milk. It's a 1-to-1 ratio. I'll give you 10 different ways that I like to eat overnight oats. All the recipes will have a half a cup of oats and a half a cup of liquid. Most have a pinch of salt, unless one of the ingredients is salted. 2 teaspoons of sweetener, unless an ingredient is very sweet. If I add cinnamon to any of the recipes, it'll be 1/4 teaspoon. First recipe is the basic, simplest one to use. Oats, 2 teaspoon chia seeds, pinch of salt, 1/4 teaspoon cinnamon, brown sugar, and whole milk. Seal the jar and put it in the fridge. I'll show you all the toppings in the morning. Raspberry jam on the bottom, so no sugar in this one. Just spread that around. Oats, salt, 2 teaspoon chia seeds, 1/4 teaspoon vanilla extract, almond milk. The next one is cherry walnut. No sugar because I'm using cherries and syrup. Fresh or frozen cherries also work well. Cinnamon, walnuts. Nuts won't get mushy, so you can add them the night before. Almond milk. And the leftover cherry juice. Pumpkin pecan. Oats, brown sugar, salt, pumpkin puree, cinnamon, grate a little bit of nutmeg if you have it, chopped crystallized ginger, about a teaspoon, chopped pecans, and milk. A lot of fall flavors in this one. Strawberry, salt, honey, cinnamon, nuts, and almond milk. We'll add fresh strawberries in the morning. Coconut, cardamom, mango, oats, chia seeds. Crush the cardamom in a mortar and pestle. Just 1 pot is enough. Salt, sugar, chopped cashews, and coconut milk. Chocolate, a pinch of salt, cocoa powder. If you're using unsweetened cocoa, add sweetener. Chocolate chunks or chips, almond milk. Put the cocoa on the bottom of the jar to avoid a cocoa mess on your counter. Cranberry pumpkin seed, oats, salt, chia seeds, cinnamon, maple syrup, dried cranberries, and milk. Peanut butter chocolate. Creamy peanut butter on the bottom, spread it around. No salt because the peanut butter is salted. Oats, brown sugar, chocolate chunks, almond milk. Mocha. Tablespoon cocoa powder on the bottom this time. Teaspoon of instant espresso or coffee powder. Chocolate chunks. Oats. Salt. Milk. And a 1/4 teaspoon vanilla extract. Add sweetener, especially if your cocoa is unsweetened. This one's more like dessert oats. So I can keep all these straight. They're going in the box that the mason jars came in. Just write the flavor on the cardboard dividers. This is especially handy if you have family members who are lactose intolerant or allergic to certain foods. Also, good for meal prep as these will last in the fridge for 5 days. I'll put this in the fridge overnight. The next morning, I'll show you all of them and the toppings. Blueberries. Keep it simple, just fresh blueberries on top. Raspberry. The chia seeds have plumped up and all the liquid is absorbed. Add fresh raspberries. A little shaved dark chocolate is perfect with raspberries. You get the raspberry jam from the bottom, fresh raspberries, and chocolate. Cherry walnut. Put more cherries on top and chopped walnuts. Pumpkin pecan. Pumpkin seeds, crystallized ginger, and pecans. Strawberry. Another simple one. Just add fresh strawberries. Coconut cardamom, pistachios or cashews, mango or pineapple, and a pinch of cardamom. Chocolate. Just add fresh raspberries. Cranberry, chewy cranberries, and pumpkin seeds. Peanut butter chocolate. Add bananas and a pinch of cinnamon. Mocha, strawberries. See the chocolate pieces? Add bananas and raspberries if you want to go all out. The oats have softened and are chewy, but have a little bite to them. They don't have that cooked taste of the oats when you make them on the stovetop. If you like well-cooked, completely soft oats, overnight oats are not for you. This is great for people who like some chew to the oats. I really hope you like these flavors. Let me know which one's your favorite. I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.